Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I'll share with you another brand new airdrop which is called Surf. They say making crypto analysis as easy as asking. Basically, in simple words, Surf AI is a platform where you can ask questions and research crypto deeply. Right now they have around 140k followers and they are really active in building a strong community, which is a positive sign for a project. As for the funding, they have already raised $15 million and this project is backed by top names like Pantera Capital and Coinbase Ventures. Before joining, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, first subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates. And guys, those of you who haven't joined our Telegram channel, I've put the Telegram link in the video description. You can join there. I share the most important daily crypto airdrop news on that channel, so don't miss this. To join this airdrop, I'll provide a Telegram post link in the video description. From there, you'll find the main link. After landing here, first of all, you can enter your email address. You will also see the option to sign in with Google. You can choose whichever option you find better. So I'm entering my email and then clicking on continue. Now it asks you to verify your email. Check your email for the code, copy the code and paste it here. After that, a page like this will open in front of you. Here you simply need to click on I am a pro skip. After coming here, you will see an interface like this. Now what do you have to do here? Just like you use ChatGPT, Gemini, etc. This is also an AI. You can ask any question here. Whatever questions you ask ChatGPT, you can ask the same questions here as well. For example, I ask here, which crypto sector is trending today? So let's enter. After that, you can see the AI gives us an answer. First, it does reasoning on your question and after that you get a fairly accurate answer here. Now, if you want to get this airdrop, what do you basically need to do? You need to perform as many searches as possible here. Since this is an AI project, it's simple. You need to come here and search as much as you can. The more interaction you do, the higher your chances of getting the airdrop. As you can see, I have already performed one search here. Along with that, on the left hand side, you will see the new chat option. If I want to ask a second question, I will click on new chat and ask my next question there. One very important thing that you must do is click on the three dots at the bottom. After clicking, go to the settings option. Here you will see the option to connect with X account. Click on add and then make sure to connect your X account. You simply need to click on authorize. And your X account will be connected. After that, when you open a new chat, you will see some cards at the bottom. You need to click on them. After clicking, scroll down a little where you will see the Get My 2025 Wrapped option. Click on it. After clicking, it will again tell you to connect your X account. I have already connected my X account. Now you need to submit your EVM or Solana address. I have submitted my EVM address here. I will click on add and then click on continue. After that, you will see something like generating on the screen. And then a card will appear. That's it. This is the complete process you need to follow for this airdrop. You should try to use this platform as much as possible. Since the project's name itself is Surf, what you mostly need to do is come here and surf, use the AI, and that's it. Your joining process is complete. One more thing you can do is share it with your friends. For that, click on Share Surf with Friends. Here you will find your referral link which you can share with your friends. So that's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Please like the video and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.